Hey guys, good morning. It's me, Mabani Kodusile, Forex Academy. I would like you to like my channel and also subscribe so that you could get the analysis or the updates or the recap on all the market reaction from the previous anticipation or analysis that I'll make, and as I will be creating or making this week's analysis based on how the market reacted from the previous week. Guys, this is what I do always. I always determine where the market range, starting with AUD USD this week. Now we have this high that was created previous week before the NFP, and then we have this low that is yet to be tested on this and then what do I look for? The trigger pattern that is valid, this being the first candle, and then the second candle is this one. I don't know this one. Two, and then the third candle is this one. Now, since we have let me say a couple of trigger pattern that are still valid on the bearish market, why I'm saying this is still valid is because each week was only tested, but no market closed above this last candle. And then since we have this structure, we could have had a nice entry on this day previous week, and then the market created this swing high again, and then what I'll be looking for is for the market to test this flip zone from the third candle on the last swing high. Let me identify this one as a swing high. We have a swing high here, then we have a flip zone, then we have the structure like this, and then I place my fiber from the high of the previous week to the low of this week that has been created, and I'm expecting the market to test the premium fair market value, and then this is what I'm expecting on this week as the market is starting to retraces back to the flip zone. This is what I'll be expecting to see from this pair, guys, and then taking out this low, and then I'm expecting them to take out is happening here. And then this will be my TP3 on this pair. TP3, and then this will be my TP2. This will be my TP1. And then I'll be using this area as my stop loss, guys. Once they come to test my flip zone, and then use the flip zone as my entry point. And then going with NZD-USD. It will be also the same. Let me check if that candle was tested, but the market closed below it, and then the market is ranging and the market is ranging within this high, and I'm expecting the market to take out this low. This 50% of this candle was tested on Tuesday previous week. This was Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, on Monday. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, it was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's candle, and then this is today. And then what I will do again, I'll also repeat what I did. This is the first candle determining the swing high. I'm just identifying the valid swing highs, guys, and then we have another swing high that is valid, but I don't want to use this one, but I decided to use this one closer to this current swing high. This is the third candle. And then I place my Fibonacci from the high to the low of the current market move, and then I'm expecting the market to test the flip zone, this is my flip zone, and then we have flip zone around the zone. Use this area as my stop loss. And then this zone as my entry level. And then this point will be my first TP, the second TP, and then lastly taking out this low will be my last TP. This is what I'm expecting from this market, to test the fair market value zone and then target the low of this previous low that was created, and then going with GBP USD. We have this 1, 2, 3, and then we have this high and then this low, and the market is now ranging around this zone. And then I'm expecting the market to target this order block, as I've mentioned from the previous week video. Then once the market has tested this zone, I'll be looking for buys. This is what I'm expecting. A little bit retracement to test the 50% of this bearish candle, and then a bit drop, and then going to Euro USD. 1, 2, 3, and then flip zone. This is too far. I won't be expecting the market to take out this low. This is what I'll be expecting, guys. JPY. Guys, I won't be repeating the very same thing that I did from the previous pair. You will just recap from what I did on the first chart, like identifying all this, so it will be your duty to do that. Let me just, it's 1, 2, 3, and then we have this structure like this, and then we have another swing high that was created, which is 1, 2, 3, and then I'm just pointing out the probabilities where the market might bounce at or use as an area or point of interest, and then they might use this this area as flip zone also, based on this candle, which is the third candle, and the market is now on this area, and you might just sell it from here to this zone, or if they pass through this, they will be testing this last candle. They might give us a sharp move to test this flip zone and then expect a big drop. And then GBP/JPY, I'll also advise you to look for sells. We have 1 2 3. This was tested but not close below, and then the market is ranging within this high. And then we have another flip zone, which is this one, where the market tested the 50% of this candle, and then we have another swing high, which is this one, and then the market is now already testing the third candle, and then I'll be expecting a drop to target this area. The present high, it is this one, and then the low, it is this one. This is what I'm expecting, because the market is ranging within our sniper area. This is what I'm expecting from this pairs. And then going to gold. Gold was a treasure made in heaven. It has reached all the expectations that I was expecting from this, and I will also be looking for the market to take out this 2 equal long, since well they didn't with this move that they did on the close of Friday's candle. And then I won't be giving you this one, you will have to go on your own. And then Bitcoin, we have 1 2 3, and then the market is ranging within the flip zone of this last candle, and what I'll be expecting to see the market to test the 50% of this candle. Just a drop to this zone, then rise. From this high, from that low to this high, and then this what I will be expecting to see, guys. Going with USD ZAR, the rand, South African rand, we have this high that the market is now targeting to take out, and then we have this latest low that was created previous week, and then what I'll be expecting to see from this market is this, guys. Since we have this swing low, and the market having tested, it did tested the 50% of this candle, and then that's what I'll be expecting to see. the market to come around our trading zones before rising. They might use this area from the previous. They have already used it on this day's candle. But you should be looking for opportunities around the zone, guys, with this pair, and then use this point as your entry level, and then use this point as your stop loss, and then going with USD/JPY. We have same structure with South African rand. We have this newly low that was created, and I'm expecting the market to take out this high. And then the current move from here is to here, and then I'm expecting the market to test the third candle around this flip zone. If not, this last candle before that rise from the market, and then I'll be looking for kind of a move like this one. Or this one. And then going with USD/CHF. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I will share the results that we had from the previous week tradings. Now this is what I'll be expecting to see. The market to test the flip zone of this candle from the swing low, or they might target this one. And then going with USD CAD. We have this swing low, and then we have another swing low here, and then we have another swing low here, but I'm using this one. And then remember that we are trading based on probabilities, where the market might use these areas as the point of interest. And then from this swing low we have this flip zone, and the market is with below the flip zone, both of this flip zone. And then the last candle from this move, it was this one, which is another block, and then the market might use this area as the flip zone. From this point, I'll be looking for the reaction on the market if they give us this move. And if that's the case, I will take a trade around these points. And then USD JPY I have already. And then this are my analysis for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you a peaceful week. I will be going through with my previous week's anticipations. This was our anticipations based on GBP USD. The market was bearish, and then we were expecting to see this kind of movement. And then if we go to GBP USD, here we are. And then if you are not in this trade, guys, you should also look for opportunities to take this trade, and we are going to target this Wall Street for this coming week. And then going to Euro USD, we were bearish also on this pair, and then this was our anticipation, and we are targeting this area and also the Wall Street money. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, here we are. And then we had this Friday's move, and it was nice. And then the point that I have just raised is we are targeting this zone, guys, this area for this week. And then for the all-time movement, we're expecting to take out this low. Remember, we are having all our TPs marked on, and then I will be expecting to see the market taking out this area. TP3, and then let's continue. We're just recapping here, guys. I'm done with the weekly analysis. I'm just doing the recap from the anticipation that we had from the previous week. And Australian dollar, it was also bearish, and then we started to see this kind of move. And then during the week, the market went back to take out our stop, AUD USD. Here we are. We had a sharp move on the bullish side as a stop hunt. We had that stop hunt there on Tuesday, if not Wednesday, and then we started to see the market dropping. I'm also bearish on this pair, guys, and then I'm expecting the market to test this area that I've identified. And then with NZD USD, I was also bearish with this pair, and then they targeted the 50% of this candle that I didn't mention or looked into where the market might come, and then it went to take out that high. Let's see, NZD USD, here we are. and then they did went to test the 50% of this last candle, and then they started to drop. And then from this analysis that I made, I shared with you, I'm expecting the market to take out of this zone, guys. And then going to Chef JPY, I'm bearish on this pair, guys. Up until they have taken out of this low, I'll be pleased. Let's see how the market is reacting to the anticipations that I had Chef JPY. Here we are. We are still fresh on this pair, guys. We are still fresh, and then as we start to see the bearish move that I was expecting from the previous week, and the market is reacting in that manner. Going to Euro JPY and bearish on also on this pair, guys, and I'm targeting these two equal lows. Once the market take out those two equal lows, I'll be pleased. And then here we are, Euro JPY, and then, guys, I think I'll only do a recap on only these pairs, because this video has already taken 30 minutes of my time, and I have to rest before going to duty today. And then I'm expecting the market to take out this low. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Maybe when I knock off today, I'll make another video. Have a blessed week. Since today in South Africa is holiday, I don't think the market will have more impact, but I hope you enjoy the rest of the week. Have a peaceful week, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like my videos, guys, and also comment, and I will reply to your comments, guys. It's my banner policy here. Hi, Papa.